Hi guys, welcome back. Just gonna jump straight back into it today, leaving where we left off last time. I've cut the holes in the chassis rail, and I'm about to sort the springs out. So let's go back to old me and see what I did. There you go, one hole, two hole. Back in it goes. See if it'll work. Okay, what we got here. So this is the arch cap with the wheels probably as high as they will go when they've got springs and dampers in. So hopefully I won't catch much of the lip. There is a bit of an excess of camber on the wheels, but that can be pulled in by the bottom arms with these bolts. Well, there's one there in the light view, and then there's one in the dark there. So the bottom arms can be pulled in. However, that's not going to be the right height. The right height is going to be, please hold, roughly there, which means the camber is a little better. Also, the bottom arm is a bit more horizontal. And don't forget, we can still pull in the bottom arm a bit anyway to help fix the camber. Then, the bits that we cut out, can we see? There's gap, plenty of gap. Oh, let's put it back down to full droop. Full droop? Lol. Full all the way down. Probably about there. There's still daylight there. Trust me, there is. And this side, there's still daylight there. Perhaps it needs a little bit of a trim. But that's pretty much there now. Just needs a bit of plate welded over it, and then somehow I've got to strengthen this because I've got to cut more out of it to have a spring mount here. Right, now we've got the right height at where I want it to be. We need to fit the top mount for the spring in there somewhere. So that is too small for a spring. So what I'm going to have to do is cut into this thing again. But first I need to make a mount for this to sit in. Righto, there's one. This with the rubber mount should just fit straight in there. A bit more of a tighter fit than I expected, but it's in. So that's tight. That gets welded into the car. And that's my top spring mount. Gonna make another one of them now. Right, I have no idea how much I've shown you so far, but this thing's back in, and I've got one of these, which is a cup for a spring top mount to sit in, and we're going to place it in this handy hole that Ford made for us in the perfect spot. I may have gone overboard with the cut-in. Oh no, I didn't. It goes there. Anyway, I have to work some angles out and then tack this in place. What was that? Oh, is that? Right, okay, I think I'm happy with that height. Maybe a bit higher actually. Just about a 2-finger gap. Now this sits in oh, you know, I've cut this the wrong way. Like an idiot. A total muppet. A complete pleb. It'll sit like that. Actually sits quite nice like that. I don't think it's directly over the spring though. Anyway, you get the idea. This goes in here. Then what I've got is a tester spring, which is shorter. That goes in there. That goes in. Wouldn't you know, pretty good for a spring seat. I can't believe I cut it the wrong way. I was positive it was the right way. Oh, what an idiot. What I'm going to do is jack it up a bit higher than I want it, and then gives you a bit more room to play with. Just for reference, that's the spring that came with the kit, and the spring that I'm trying to use is that big. So it's a good 50mm shorter. This one won't go. Well, it will. I'd like to use these because they are standard size, and a set of custom springs is going to set me back best part of 200 quid. So I'd like to use these. but it does mean cutting more into the chassis rail, which I've already done quite a lot of. What to do, what to do. I fixed it, cut a bit more off the back. Now this lines up perfectly with the back of the chassis rail. I have to fill in this here. Currently I'm using these 2 bits of steel pipe to do it, but I can weld that there and then strengthen around it. I think that's probably my best shot, and we've got a nice arch gap. Quite like that. Camber's a bit extreme, but hopefully we can fix that by pulling the bottom arm in a bit. It can't go any higher anyway, so it's stuck where it is. Let's tack it in. Well, that's it for another one, I think. Next time we'll sort out the shock absorbers, and there's probably a few more episodes on this, to be fair. I am continuing to do bits and bobs other than the rear end while I'm sorting out these videos. I'm struggling to get out here a bit, to be fair, to sort all this out, but new year, hopefully it'll be the year of the Flexus. So please like, subscribe and share. Please share this project. I love seeing everybody's reaction to it. It's quite funny. I get a variety of reactions from what the hell are you doing that for to you're an absolute mentalist, which is all part of the fun and games. So yeah, share this video, share the playlist if you don't mind, and get everybody coming here and watching it. Yeah, I'm on all these social medias, so just like and follow on there, and you'll keep up with everything that is the Flexus. But I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Ciao.